friends! Whether you're aligning with an incentive trip, packing for convention, or trying to squeeze in one last trip before school, this week's update is your ticket to momentum. We've got some amazing promos, an inspiring recognition moment, and a few tips to help you prep your business for the road ahead. So let's dive in. First up, major recognition for one of our leaders lighting the way. Sherry Hamlin has officially earned the incentive trip for 2 by helping 3 of her personally enrolled leaders qualify. Talk about leadership in action. Big congratulations to Lauren, Carrie, and Ashley. For this achievement, Sherry's earned a run-of-the-house room for 2, $300 in airfare credit, and airport transportation. This bonus category is still in play. If 3 of your personally enrolled leaders qualify, you earn this upgraded prize too. Now let's talk promos, because nothing fuels business like a good LTO. And these are packed and ready to go. For the US and Canada promos, we have a 5 ml tea tree is the product of the month. We'll be hearing more about this oil later. Also, a 15 ml rosemary that is 10% off. For the US LTOs, gray Pilot Diffuser, vanilla chai, and harvest spice. Canada promos, LTOs, gray Laluz Diffuser, also with vanilla chai and harvest spice. Bonus tip, the Pilot Diffuser fits in your car cup holder, perfect for convention, travel, road trips, or just turning your carpool into a spa. Need a little help about Tea Tree this month? Lauren's got you covered. She's filmed a quick education segment full of uses and benefits you can plug into your content or team chats right away. Take it away, Lauren.
It's clean, it's crisp, it's tea tree time. This month's product of the month is your all-natural multitasker. So why tea tree? It's a must-have for promoting healthy skin and a clean environment. From blemishes to nail care to surface cleaning, tea tree does it all. Here's how to use it. Dab a drop onto your skin blemishes as part of your daily skincare routine. Add a few drops to a spray bottle with water and clean those high-touch surfaces naturally. Swipe a drop on your nails or toes for that fresh, clean feel. Tea tree is the oil that always shows up when things need a refresh. Don't miss out on your free 5 ml and be the friend who shares the good stuff.
This is a great time to reignite conversations, follow up on samples, and use these promos to drive meaningful connections. LTOs like these are built to generate excitement, so don't be shy about sharing. Let's land this update with 2 of your top action steps. First, grab the Pilot Diffuser while it's still available. It's stylish, portable, and road trip ready. Second, register for the Foundations Workshop. It's the ultimate convention prep and an easy way to align your goals before the big event. Keep sharing, leading, and dreaming big. Whether you're traveling for business or building one from wherever you are, you got this. And friends, I just hit my 3 months here at doTERRA, and first of all, these products are incredible. Second, your warm welcome, all your love and your support for this new regional vice president role has been incredible. And I cannot wait to see you at this year's convention just in a couple months. But for now, we'll see you next week. Hopefully with your suitcase a little fuller and your volume a lot higher.
Hello, doTERRA family. We're so excited to be with you today to celebrate our newest rank advancements. You worked so hard this past month, and we are here as a corporate team to celebrate you. So join with us in celebrating our newest silvers. Congratulations to our newest silvers. We know that silvers are on their way. We have more and more coming every month, so we can't wait to celebrate you and all the great things you're doing. Love you. Now, this next moment isn't just for someone who has worked hard for a little while. Takes consistent and resilient work to hit this next rank. Hitting platinum is a huge achievement. It means so much to you and your teams, and everything that this represents is just incredible. So please help me welcome our newest platinum leader.
Ashley is amazing. She's one of our nomad leaders. She travels all the time. And the way she still continues to support her leaders underneath her is fabulous. Great job, Ashley.
Wow. Congratulations to Ashley, our newest platinum leader. We're so impressed with everything you're doing. Thank you for being part of doTERRA. And this month, we have a new diamond leader. We're so excited to celebrate.
The Dr. Wei Yi, he has a full-time job in the college, and his wife, Alice Lian, she has a studio. Also, she has need to take care of 2 granddaughters. So through being these 9 years, they're working so hard, teaching people how to use the essential oil. Finally, this year, they hit the diamond. You do a good job. Congratulations.